Hello and welcome. I'm here at our KHADI Experience store in Berlin. My name is Claus and I'm a member of the KHADI ColorCrew. Today I want to show you how quick and easy it is to color your own hair with KHADI Natural Hair Color. You might be asking yourself, what makes our hair colors so different and so effective? All of our plant-based hair colors are 100% natural, vegan and certified. With our premium Ayurvedic ingredients, traditional formulas and ultra-fine milling technique, we have succeeded in creating incredibly brilliant colors that offer fantastic coverage without damaging your hair. 100% natural and as unique and individual as you are. Unlike synthetic hair dyes that penetrates the hair shaft and replace your own natural pigment with synthetic pigments, KHADI Natural Hair Color forms a protective, nourishing coating of plant-based pigments around your hair, creating long-lasting color with natural shine. Which KHADI shade is right for you? Take our interactive color quiz to find out, or discover all our shades on our color chart at khadibeauty.com. There are two ways to apply natural hair color. First, using your hands is the fast and easy way. It's perfect for beginners. Or second, you can opt for a more precise and professional method of using a tint brush. Depending on which method you choose, you will need to have the following materials ready. To apply the color with your hands, you will need the color powder, the application instructions, the cap and the gloves. You will find all these items in the box. We also recommend the following items: a spoon, 2 heat-resistant bowls, a thermometer such as a cooking thermometer, a whisk and a towel. If you would rather use a tint brush to precisely apply your hair color, you will also need a tint brush, a comb and 4 hair clips. Before applying your hair color, make sure to wash your hair thoroughly with a natural shampoo. Our KHADI Elixir shampoos cleanse your hair gently and thoroughly to prepare it for coloring with KHADI Natural Hair Color. Our KHADI Natural Hair Color needs to form a perfect coating around your hair, so we developed a product to completely eliminate residue from your hair. It is 100% natural and uses the cleansing power of Ayurvedic medical plants, the KHADI Detox Mask. Did you use conventional hair care products before coming to KHADI? These products often contain silicons, which form a synthetic coating around your hair. Before coloring your hair with KHADI Natural Hair Color, simply use the KHADI Detox Mask to remove that residue and thoroughly cleanse your hair. Is your hair very light, grey or chemically bleached? KHADI Color Prep can help you to achieve your perfect hair color. Check out the KHADI Color Chart or the Color Quiz at khadibeauty.com to see if Color Prep is right for you. Put the color powder into a bowl and mix it with water at the correct temperature until the mixture reaches a creamy consistency. Check the KHADI color chart and the application instruction in the package to find the right water temperature for your shade. The water temperature is extremely important because it will help determine the final result of the coloring process. Now, apply the color cream to the sections of hair you want to color. You can use a tint brush or simply use your hands. Applying the color with your hands is ideal if you want to fully color your hair, and it's the perfect application method for beginners. But if you're just coloring your roots, using a brush is easier. A brush allows you to apply color precisely to specific areas of your hair. Make sure that the color cream does not cool down while you're applying it. The easiest way to keep it warm is to place the bowl in a warm water bath. Use the cap included in the box to cover your hair. Then wrap a towel around your hair as well. Depending on the shade you've chosen, you now have the time to relax for 60 to 120 minutes. Rinse your hair with plain water to protect your new hair color. When the water runs clear, you are done rinsing. Do not use any shampoo or conditioner. After rinsing, dry your hair as usual. You can already see the results. Your hair has a healthy new glow and shimmer. However, your natural hair color will need another 24 to 48 hours to unlock its full potential and reach its final brilliant shade. It will be worth the wait. After 24 to 48 hours, we recommend setting your new hair color with KHADI Color Care Hair Oil. Massage 1 or 2 pumps of the oil into your hair and let it set for at least 30 minutes or overnight before finally washing your hair with shampoo for the first time. Enjoy having strong and healthy hair and long-lasting brilliant hair color.